In this session, let us learn about Python MySQL update table. Update table. You can update existing records in a table by using the update statement. Example, overwrite the address column from Guntur 18 to Vijayawada 8. See, by writing and executing this code using update customer set address is equal to Vijayawada 8 where address is equal to Guntur 18. See, important, notice the statement my db.commit is required to make the changes, otherwise no changes are made to the table. See, notice the where clause in the update syntax. See here, where clause update syntax. Where clause specifies the record or records that should be updated. If you omit the where clause, all records will be updated. See here, by writing and executing this code, the result returns this, one records are affected. Prevent SQL injection. It is considered a good practice to escape the values of any query also in update statements. This is to prevent SQL injection, which is common web hacking technique to destroy a misuse or database. The MySQL.connector module uses the placeholder %s to escape values in the delete statement. See, escape values by using the placeholder %s method. See the example. Now we are using update customer set address is equal to %s where address is equal to %s. See, value Guntur 18, Vijayawada 8. See, one record affected. Okay friends, this is the end of part 10 Python MySQL update table. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MySQL limit. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.